Hello everyone and welcome back to Rick's Garage. Well, Miss Vicky is off at the tuning shop and I'm stuck here in isolation at home with an empty workspace. So you know that these idle hands are going to get up to nothing but trouble.
Say hello to the bad side. My emotion is flatline. Hungry demon, what I'm seeing is snack time. When I rush in the grab, I better run from the path line.
With all the craziness going on in the world today, I found it easier just to stay home for now and avoid it all. Unfortunately, that leads to some serious boredom, and that's when guys like me start doing dumb things.
Get ready, everybody. He's about to do something stupid.
The most recent dumb thing that I did comes to me from Craigslist in the form of a 1977 Yamaha XS750 motorcycle. Introduced to compete with Honda's popular CB750, it was Yamaha's first three-cylinder motorcycle. Produced from 1976 to 1981, the XS750 Triple was Yamaha's apology for the incredibly unreliable TX model of the early 1970s. While the 64 horsepower dual overhead cam Triple didn't blow anybody away, critics overlooked the lack of muscle to the features generally found on more expensive bikes. Features like shaft drive, triple disc brakes, and even self-canceling turn signals. All those creature comforts make a vintage bike like this a dream to own. Unfortunately, this is not my vintage Craigslist bike. I came across this gem listed for a cool $500, and after a couple of emails and the first buyer being a no-show, a really cool dude by the name of Frank showed up and dropped off Wilson the Fuzztard's old bike. Yeah, it says Fuzztard. I hope I'm not going to get an angry email about this. This nugget was a product of the old story of a guy inheriting his buddy's old bike project once he moved out. Now apparently it was a running bike before disassembly about 2 years ago, but as you can see it's a long way from that. Between the box and knapsack full of parts, along with what's left on the bones, it seems like I've got a fairly complete motorcycle. Now, I'm not 100% sure what direction I'm going to go with the bike as of yet, but my immediate plan is to do an inventory to see exactly what I'm missing, and then cobble together some electrical and fuel and see if I can't get that engine running. Now this may seem like a waste of time because the bike is in a state where you might as well blow it apart anyway, at the very least to clean it. But over the years I've found that it's easier starting a project if you have a good working base. What I mean by that is regardless if I go custom or just reassemble what I've got here, once the bike's back in one piece, what happens if it decides not to start? Was it something that I did, or was it a pre-existing problem? At least if I know the motor runs going in, that'll help diagnose any potential issues later. So stay tuned folks for the next few episodes and we'll see how far I can untangle this basket case waiting for Miss Vicky to get back. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. As well, be sure to subscribe for instant notifications as soon as a new video is ready. And as always, thanks very much for watching.